Alright, what's going on, guys? Sorry it's been so long, just been busy with work and family and stuff, but we're going to do another update. A couple things have changed. So finally got the rear bumper carrier all set up. I had the plate initially mounted inside the tire, but made it really difficult to get the tire off if I needed it, so I just left it where it is. I don't think that's the intended location. I think there's supposed to be a light that goes there, but it works where it is. And I have like a $15 AutoZone light on there. It's all LED lit on the bottom side, so it covers everything. It's actually super bright. And I have it mounted a little higher than probably need to, but I wanted to get it out of the way in case I went straight up a wall or something. Plus it helps if I have a hitch in. Gives me extra clearance for getting the trailer in there. We'll go ahead and open it. So I actually have a flagpole mount that I made right here. It's just PVC pipe, so the flagpole goes up and out. Here's a shovel that I've used for recovery and stuff. It's actually just held on with some cheap U-bolts for now. I'll have to get it fixed later. Actually get a real mount, but this is something that I actually found on another channel. I forget the guy's channel it is. He's a guy with the XJ that went all over Alaska, the red one, recently. I think he's from North Carolina or whatnot, but so that's cool. That's just actually just held on with some bolts back here. There's three. There's one up here, one there, and one there. And I also did this, which I saw on another tire carrier, but just a plastic coffee can. There's some towels and rags and stuff in there. Gas can. That's about it for that. I did actually do some rock lights. Where are they? There they are. These are just the $20 cheap ones on Amazon. So I've got two in the back. Where's the other one? Two in the front. So it's actually running pretty good. I did actually go over the whole front suspension. So it's got new ball joints, upper and lower. It's got new U-joints and shafts. You can see there, new shaft or U-joints, ball joints there, and up there. Got a new tie rod in right there for the part of the steering. So we're getting to the point where we're actually gonna swap out the pinion bearing. It's getting to the point where it's getting pretty bad. I haven't been driving this thing that much, maybe 100 miles in the past couple months. As you can see, it's dripping right there. So definitely gonna get that fixed here soon. Once tax season goes around, I get my refund. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. I got the lights on the back. These are just some two floodlights. So they're actually pretty bright at night. They're not hooked up to the reverse lights. They're just hooked up to the switch on the inside. So I've had this bumper for a couple months. I do like it. My only complaint is this is rated for like a 35, I think. And this is just a 31. But that's my only complaint. It does wiggle. It does make a lot of noise when I'm on the trail. It doesn't jiggle that bad, but I do see it vibrating, which drives me up the wall. So other than that, getting this thing on, this little cam bolt was a pain. Mounting it was pretty easy. Getting it lined up was pretty easy. It does line up pretty good, but getting it, I guess getting it to not vibrate, because when I put it on, I know this needs adjustment. Down here, it does need adjustment for the hinge. It didn't close right. When I closed it and I'd hit a bump or I'd jiggle the carrier, this would just pop out just about this far. So I had to adjust the hinge, had to adjust all that. Finally got it to where it actually runs pretty good. I need to get a couple other things for it. Thinking about getting a couple more rock lights, but it's already been kind of MIA lately. So we're gonna get some more videos going. It's actually nice cool weather down here in Florida. We'll get some trail riding videos and some more stuff that we're gonna do to it soon. I have a bunch of parts that I just ordered, so see how it goes. I'm excited to see where this thing goes in a couple months. Especially get the front end down. We can actually drive it on the highway. Right now I'm just driving it around town, troubleshooting some things. It does need an alignment. after that new after the new tie rod in. But oh, and I got new bump stops. Before I didn't have any bump stops, so as soon as it flexed, this tire would get crunched all the way up in this fender. And since I'm still running stock fender flares, and they're not cut, it'll try to just destroy itself. So these are the, I think these are the Daystar 5-inch extended ones. I haven't flexed them out yet. Just put them on a couple days ago, so I'm gonna go flex it in like a ditch or something here so I can see how it does. I might trim it a little bit, but yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoy it, and stay tuned. We'll see you on the next video.